Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Gods Unchained. This is fairly big game, I would say, on blockchain. I did cover it back, I think, around 2 or 3 months ago. So I'm covering it again. This video will most like going to be most of the time about its price action and its analysis on its price, but we'll just go over what it does and what it is and their ecosystem. Now this is the biggest game on immutable ecosystem. You can see here immutable is one of, I would say, immutable is one of the biggest gaming ecosystem out there, and immutable does have a massive market cap of like around 1 billion. It is just slightly below above Floki, but it is massive. And Gods Unchained is the biggest game in the ecosystem, from what I understand as of now. Now, the game itself is available on most of the platforms, including on PCs as well as Android and even iOS. So even on, if you look at the Android, they do have pretty impressive amount of downloads, over 50k. And if we look at the game, they did update it like on 29 July, so they have been doing a lot of developments and updates recently. And it is a card game, as you can see. The niche itself is, I would say, is dependent on players' interest. Not everyone likes the card games, but again, whoever likes the card game, this is a pretty good option out there as of now. Now, if we talk about the recent news or what is going on as of now, they don't have that many exciting news. The last post was basically on August 1st, as you can see, and they haven't posted ever since. And again, the token is doing well, although they have not posted anything, as you can see here. So there must be something that they are doing that is pushing the token higher and higher. Now, in terms of market cap, the market cap has remained fairly, I would say, consistent. So at its peak, it actually ended up hitting like 250 million dollars of market cap, but again, it has never gone below like 27, or even back in 2022 it was trading around like 13, and back in April of 2025 it actually ended up hitting like 26, 25, and after that it had a massive recovery and it's doing pretty good ever since then. Now if we talk about the token itself, this is what the token does. So basically the token itself is used for minting different NFTs or crafting NFTs. So you do need Gods token to do that. You can also purchase packs from the Gods Unchained marketplace and earn even more rewards by holding tokens in Immutable X. Gods token can also represent the voting power, enabling players to participate in the governance proposal that influence the game's destiny. And you do earn from the staking reward pools, so that I would say is pretty good. Now the token had a max supply of 50 million, and they had like 35 million public sale, and they also had some investor tokens as well. And I think because of that, the token did see a massive dip in the price, but I think now those most of the tokens are distributed, and now there is only play to earn rewards as well as community and ecosystem rewards and Gods Unchained reserves. So I would say most of the sell pressure as of now has gone down, so the token should start to recover if the demand for the game increases as of now. Now if we talk about the price or the price of the token itself, as of now, at least from what I can see or from my analysis, it seems like that it's looking really good. So I think as of now, as long as it breaks above this downtrend that it has been ever since, I would say like March of 2024, or even if we can get one from July or Jan of this year, I think it's looking really good. So as of now, again, it is in the downtrend, and it is trying to go above this downtrend, as you can see here. So it basically tried like in December, as well as it tried to break above this trend in May, but again it did try to break it on 31st July, as you can see, but there was a massive dip in the price. Most likely, I would say, whoever bought it below around 10 cent actually ended up selling the coin when it ended up hitting like 24 cent. That was basically 2x, but now again it is trying to go up. So I think if the token breaks above this like 23 cent or even 24 cent, it could see a massive surge. Like I think if it breaks above on this downtrend, we may actually expect a surge of like, I would say, 100x, oh sorry, 2x or even 3x, or like over 100% price increase. If we look here back in, if we just look at its price action or its market cap, it usually sees a massive surges, and these surges do not last that long, but again they do make a pretty good gain. So for example, if we look here back in October of 2023, it actually ended up going from this exact same level, like from 37 million. It actually made a correction, as it has done as of now. Like it went as high as 66 million, and after that it went as low as 57 million. After that it actually ended up going as high as 100 million. So if it goes around 100 million, that's like, I would say, 2x from here. And again same thing happened back in July of 2024. It actually ended up surging from 44 million to as high as over 100 millions. Again, a massive surge. Same thing happened. So I think we can expect a pretty much same price action as of now if this momentum continues. But again, I would be looking at these levels if I want to take profit. So again, I would say the first level to sell this coin would be around 25 cent to 22 cent, and if the momentum continues, I think it can peak around 35 to 29 as well. That is another possibility, and if the momentum is super strong, I think we can expect a surge as high as, like, I would say, a 44 cent. So that is a massive surge again. I would say they don't have that big news. They did not announce anything, but there could be something that they may announce, and we may be looking at some of the insider trading or some of the expectation from the team as well. Let's see what happens, but I think if this momentum continues, I am looking at these targets. And if we talk about the token itself in general, for the long term, it is in the uptrend, so I would say it's looking fairly strong. So, and if you want to get this coin, I would say it is better to wait when it reaches around this trend line. So I would be looking at like 11 cent or even like 10 cent or even like 12 cent, because this trend line seems to be the really strong one. But again, if the token does see a sharp decline from here, I would be looking at a retest of around like 11.12 cent. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.